Hi there, welcome to this video. I hope that you are doing fine. Now, KUPS has opened their portal for TVET and Kmtc application. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can be able to apply either for a Kmtc course or for a TVET course in 2025. And at the moment of recording this video, those are the only options that are available. The degree programs are not yet open. So for those of you who are reaching out and are asking about the degree programs, please note that they are not yet open. So with that said, let's get started. Now, the first thing to do is to visit this website and log in. And after you log in, you'll come and click on Kmtc programs. That is if you are looking for a Kmtc course. Here are several courses you can choose from, and you'll check if you qualify for the very course that you want to apply. So say, for example, you want to apply for community nursing. So you'll click on this, and then here you see the minimum grade is C. Then we have here the subject qualifications that you need to have achieved. So you'll check. If you don't qualify, you'll have to look for another course. And here are the campuses that are available, and here are the program codes. So all you need to keep in mind is the program code. And there are so many depending on the campus that you want. You can also add to the basket if you wish to have that as your course and campus. If you're looking for a TVET program, I want you to click on all programs. And then here we have the degree program which are not yet open, diploma, certificate, and artisan. So we need to look at diploma, which is now our TVET program. And here are the several fields you can choose from and the courses that you want to pursue. So say, for example, you want to pursue a course in engineering, technology, and related. So you'll click there. And here are the courses in the field of engineering. And so, for example, say you want to check other courses, you can click over there. So here we, for example, choose electrical and electronics engineering. So you'll click on that. And here the minimum grade is C-. And remember, I said you need to remember these very codes, or you can add them to the basket. And so after you note down the program codes, I want you to click on application / revision. And then here you can read some information about KUPS placement. So all I want you to do is to come and click on apply now and give it some time. Here it has loaded. And now you will choose the course. Is it a diploma course or is it a certificate course? So for my case, it is a diploma course. So I'll click here. You only need 2 courses in this field. And here you put the code or the program code for that very course. And here you meet the minimum requirements. Then number 2, you'll also put the code for the second course in that TVET institution. And here you meet the minimum requirements. And again, you'll just cross-check to make sure everything is okay. Like this is diploma in electronic and electrical engineering. This is ICT technician level 6. So you need to be sure, and then you click on submit. Placement processing. Would you like to be placed in any other program in case you don't secure your choices? So you can choose either yes if you want to be placed in any other program in case you miss this one, or no. Here you will not be placed in any course in case you miss the selected choices. For this student, he said no, and so I'll click on submit. Service payment, click here to pay 1,500. Enter the payment reference in this provided by submitting this application and all that. So I want you to click here, okay? And then you'll be redirected to this website where you need to pay for this very service, that is 1,500 shillings. Here are so many ways of paying. You'll choose your favorite. For my case, it's M-Pesa. And here you'll put the M-Pesa number if it is not well written. Then click on initiate. Or you can follow this very procedure to pay using your SIM toolkit. So I'll click on initiate. and unable to push STK menu at this time. So for us, we are going to use the second option where we are going to use the M-Pesa, then pay bill. We'll use the pay bill that is given and the account number that has been given. So once you do the payment, all you need to do is to click on complete and you will be redirected after the process is complete. Okay, so you'll give it some time. And now here, you'll need now to put the eCitizen reference number, the eCitizen account number, or the payment reference. And for this case, I'm going to use the eCitizen reference number, which I'm going to write right here. And once you're done, you'll click on submit, checking payment, submitting your choices, and successful. The application has been successful. I've been redirected here. And here are my two choices. Diploma in Electrical Engineering, that is the power option, and ICT Technician Level 6, and we have the institutions shown over there. So if you've been searching on how to apply for the TVET and KMTC programs in 2025, here is how you can do, and it is as simple as that. And if you face any challenges, feel free to drop me a comment. I'll be able to read it and respond if I can, or even create a video addressing that very problem. I hope this video helped you, and if that is the case, you already know what to do. Boop that like button so that this video can be forwarded to many people who are searching about this very topic. And if you like my general content, feel very free to subscribe with notifications on so that you can be the first person to be notified whenever we upload a video on this channel. Otherwise, I want you to click anywhere on the screen to watch our next video, and I'm pretty sure that I'll see you in that video. Peace.